Good evening, Tallahassee. I'm student meteorologist Dylan Leathe here with your 4 FSU weather update, social media update. Currently right now in Tallahassee, it is 61 degrees with a dew point sitting at 53. And you can see that wind from the northwest. That's because of that approaching front that I'm going to talk about later with Jake's famous surface map. As we look at the temperatures around the Big Bend region, very cool temperatures, not even breaking 63. We're going to see 59 in Thomasville, 58 in Mariana, 61 obviously in Tallahassee, and a little warmer at the coast with 62 in Apalachicola and 60 in Carabel. As we look at those dew points, we're going to see uniform dew points not breaking 60 right now. We're going to see 54 in Perry, 53 in Monticello, 54 in St. Mark's. Not as humid as we saw before that front that came through the other day. But you can see those winds that I was talking about coming out from the north, going towards the east. That's because of that front coming through. We're going to look at Jake's surface map right now. We're going to start off. That front is stalled for now. It is a stationary front. It is not a cold front. It's just sitting there right now. But here's the thing. Here comes the colder air behind it. All that dry air, you can see all that moisture is gone. Just very dry, nice air. Going to bring beautiful conditions, but cold conditions coming through. As we look into futurecast right now, seeing nothing in the radar, some clouds might come through because of that front, and you can see a bit of rain coming down with the front. And as we move into Thursday, more clouds just coming into our area, but not bringing any rain, bringing nice skies. But we can see that storms come down into South Florida with that front, and it's going to clear out by Friday. Have a beautiful weekend ahead. Tonight's forecast, currently sitting, we're going to see cold temperatures at 54. You might need a jacket, but you can see some wind coming out with that front. That cold front's coming through tomorrow. As we look into tomorrow's temperature, we're going to see 64 degrees, another cooler day, not cold but not warm. We're going to see that high wind of 10 to 15 miles per hour out of that northwest because that front just passed through. We can see maybe some boating advisories and beach advisories later in tomorrow because of this front, so be prepared for that. As we look at what to wear, we're going to see Thursday, it's going to be nice sweater and sunglasses. It's going to be a bright sunny day. But Friday and Saturday, we're going to see colder temperatures. It's going to be really cold. As we look at the 5-day later, I might actually bring out my leather jacket and get to experience some of this cold weather that we don't usually experience in the South Florida. As we look at the 5-day forecast, we start off with a warm temperature of 64 and a low of 45. We're going to move into Friday and Saturday. We're going to see it drop down into the 29. That is the first 29 I've seen on the 5-day. We're going to see, as we move into the weekend, another front is going to approach and bring in some chances of rain leading into next week. Those chances, 20% Sunday night and some chance of 40% chance of rain Monday leading into finals week. Have a good night.